Hi guys, today we'll be making chocolate brownies because it's my mama's birthday. Happy birthday, Surrender Mama. And as you can see, they'll be delicious. And you see those flakes? Well, those are edible. And nothing in this is non-edible, well, except for the pans. So, yeah, we'll be showing you how to make these. We'll be doing Ghirardelli triple chocolate brownies. So you'll need 3 pouch mixes for this. Okay, so what you need is 3 eggs, a bowl of melted butter or vegetable oil, and water. So for this, we will need 1 pouch mix, 1/3 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of melted butter. And you can use vegetable oil too. And you also need 1 egg. So when you crack the egg, it should look like this. And then just put it into the bowl, mixing bowl. Then break the egg yolk and put 1/3 cup of water. And melted butter or vegetable oil, 1/3 cup too. Now once you've put all the ingredients in, start beating it, as it will show right here. So now you will cut the 1 pouch mix and slowly pour it in while mixing it. So keep on mixing it. And then it should be thick. Kind of. So it should start turning brownish, like a chocolate brown. So now you need to keep on mixing it, and it should look something like this. And so the method that I'm using is where you cut it in half and then fold it, which looks like this. And once you finish mixing it, it should look like this. So now we need to grease the pan, and for that you'll need to take a paper napkin and put it inside the melted butter or vegetable oil, and then just grease the pan like this. Now what you need to do is pour the mix that you mixed in the mixing bowl into the greased pan. So now jab it like this after you've smoothened it out. I've already added 1 egg, so you just need to add the other. And you don't need to break it up this time. So after you've put the 2 eggs in, you'll need 2/3 cup of water and 2/3 cup of melted butter or vegetable oil. And we're out of butter, melted butter, so our mom's getting some. Now you need to also beat this till it looks like this. Now, you need to beat it more, just a little more, and then start pouring it in, and then take out the bigger beater, and then start beating it while pouring it in. So now you'll need to keep on beating it, and it's gonna be really thick, so you might need an adult's help. So as you can see, it's like waterish on the side. So we've added melted butter while we were still beating it, because our mom got some. Now you just need to keep on beating it a lot. Now my brother wanted to show this cool thing where it drips down. It's kind of satisfying. Yeah, now I'm just scooping it out. So do the cut and fold trick that I told you, where you cut it in half and then fold it. It's a little bit thick, so it might be harder to do. Now this is a pre-greased pan, so just put the brownie mix inside the pan after you've greased it. Now it should look like this once you've smoothened it out. So now we'll be putting them in the oven. As you can see, it's 325 degrees and you need to set it to that. So we've preheated it and now it's 325 degrees. So now we'll be putting the brownies inside. Then you close the lid, and we've actually failed a few times because my brother thought it was 60 minutes, but you're actually supposed to type in 100. So it's done now, and we will eat them. So now, since they're done, we'll be taking them out of the oven. And we'll be using these gloves. So I'll show them to you. Here, look. They look delicious. So here, we'll put them right here. And then let's go and check on the bigger brownie pan. So since I can't lift the bigger brownie pan, my brother will be getting it for me. So we'll put them beside each other. And this one looks more delicious than the tinier one, maybe because you can cut it into more brownies. And so that's the end of the video. Bye guys.